everyone, it's Martha here with you, and I have a project share for you. And this is the folio that we created using the Happy Haunting collection from Simple Stories, and I've just used a different collection for this one. And I used the man card from Photo Play, really cute collection by Tracy Smith. It's got some super fun graphics in it. I didn't get to use a lot of the extra elements, but I think I did use most of the papers. So here is the cover, and if we don't remember, it measures 5 3/4, I believe, by 7 1/4. Yep, 7 1/4, and then it has 1 1/4 inch spine. So it's really cute, very, holdable size, if that makes sense. So on the front here, I've just backed a lot of the stickers from the collection on some black cardstock and just fussy cut around them. So this is a sticker, this is a sticker, 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 sticker. Super simple, just did some matting and distressed the papers a little bit, and then the closure I just did with some hemp twine since it is a manly book. And then the back I just did use the same paper as the front, and then the spine I used the signature paper that has the man card all over it. So super cute. So it opens up right here like this, and then this is as soon as you get inside, this is what you see here. And these are 4x4 waterfalls here, or 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 waterfalls. Really super cute, and you learn how to do these in the Halloween one. So the first side flips open like this here, and it's got a large pocket on the back inside cover, so it just opens up like that, and it closes with the twine closure. And then over here there's a small pocket, so this is the flap that's behind the waterfall. So there's a small pocket here, and this is again one of the stickers that I just backed on some black cardstock, and this is the one of the 3x4 cut aparts. I just really like that stag with a suit on. I really like it. So this is actually what holds this closed right here, and this is just a 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 little flip, and it flips out like that. And then here there is a pocket, another pocket with the envelope punch board, and there's a large tag in there. And then there's a pocket back here, and there is a large photo mat in there, and you can put photos on both sides. And it's quite a nice thick pocket, so you can actually fit more in there. And then it just closes up like that, and then that keeps it all nice and closed. And then if we go over here to the back inside cover, I don't know if I said, but this is the front inside cover, this is the back inside cover. There is a stacked pocket here with some photo mats, really cute. And these are the envelope punch board pockets there. And then over here there is a 4x6 photo mat, and it is actually magnetically attached there, and that's what keeps this section closed. So that is photo mat. This is one of the stickers from the collection. It's just straight on there, it's not backed. And then this is one of the stickers that I actually did back on some black cardstock and trimmed it out. And then this just opens up like that for more photo space, or just photo mats, cut aparts, whatever you'd like. And then that just snaps back on like this, and then it all just closes up. So a really simple folio. but it actually fits about 30 pictures or so, depending on how you, what size they are and how you put them in there. So a really nice size for, you know, a men's book, because they tend to take less pictures and be in less pictures. So I think it's perfect. All right, so that is this folio. I will link the tutorial for this down below this video, and I hope you really enjoy it. And if you haven't yet, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment. I always like to see your comments on my videos, and just have a wonderful day.